Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, compass, clock, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
With Lincoln Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles, you can rest assured that you're getting a vehicle you can count on. All Lincoln Certified vehicles go through a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians and come with a comprehensive warranty. And just to ease your mind, they also provide 24/7 roadside assistance. Check out your local Lincoln dealer today to find out all the other benefits buying a Lincoln Certified vehicle can offer you.